Hello everyone, it is Luna, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I wear in a week to my office job. So I'm really excited to do this since this is actually a little bit inspired by the video that Laura made recently where she actually she actually looked at one of my dresses where I had asked for some outfit ideas to go to work. And when I had submitted that, it was actually a while back, and I've made a lot of progress on my work wardrobe. So some of the outfits you see, I think will solidly fall into Lolita-inspired, or what I have nicknamed corporate Lolita, which is something that I really don't know if other people wear, but it's inspired by corporate goth. And it's kind of where I've settled in order to make my stuff wearable for work. You'll see a lot of men's dress shirts mixed with Lolita skirts. It's one of my favorite combos, along with some other outfits as well. Without further ado, let's see outfit for Monday. So I decided to wear my strawberry fan plus friend skirt with a white men's dress shirt on Monday. I wore those cute puffball earrings, which I'm a big fan of. They match a lot of stuff. I had a white bow that matched. I also had a black choker on to try to tie in my shoes and my purse and my Apple Watch, since I do wear my Apple Watch every day while I go to work. I love that Fan Plus Friend skirt so much. I actually got it fixed up so I could wear it that week. You gotta get a glimpse of my Danskin ballet flats that I wear every day when I am going to work because they're super comfy. Well, it is the outfit for Tuesday, and I have my Danskin ballet flats on again today. Some simple white like knee-high tights. I actually made this skirt a while back. I like it a lot. I got this sweater recently and really wanted to wear it. This bow isn't actually part of the sweater. It's like a clip that broke that I decided to turn into a brooch and I thought looked cute, kind of with like an academic theme for today. There's little lions on the sweater of this, and I decided to try to like bring up the warm tones. I'm feeling ready for fall, although it's still kind of like swinging between fall and summer where I live. I have these cute little orange guys on my ears and a daisy clip, and it's all kind of warm toned to pull everything together. And I have my bag that I normally have that matches my shoes. So today's outfit, you may notice I don't have any makeup on because I was running late this morning, but I had already planned out my outfit, so I was able to put my full outfit on today. This is just a simple, like, casual core that I would normally wear. So here's my outfit for today. I decided to coordinate this dress with blue because I think black and blue look really pretty. This is actually the dress that I sent in to ask lovely Laura about coordinating in more ways. I ended up deciding to use a men's dress shirt to try to make it more office professional. With my body type, I find it way easier just to buy men's dress shirts. They're also usually higher quality. So I highly recommend. I got this blue one from a thrift store, which was awesome. I have this blue flower crown that matches this top really well, and blue knee highs to kind of tie it all in together. There's just kind of like some plain blue knee highs that have some like printed bows on them. They aren't really anything too special. And then I have a necklace on that has a little blue gem and a little more like nature charms to try to like pull in a bit of a nature theme. I did not wear a petticoat today because I just was not feeling it, and sitting in the office all day, sometimes it isn't super comfortable. Today was just one of those days. But I still consider this like a Lolita adjacent outfit and a way for me to get to wear my Lolita pieces to help with the cost per wear. I really liked this outfit. I love this dress. It is one of my absolute favorites. Also, I did wear the same flats and bag that I have every day. I just didn't get the chance to film till the end of the day and don't feel like wearing my shoes in my own home. So I do work from home on Fridays, so I decided to just wear like a casual Lolita cord. I'd actually wear it to a meetup. I'd probably wear this to any meetup actually. I'm showing you here that I have pink bows that match the pink on the polka dotted bow on this bodyline JSK, well, that I have. I had a little cake necklace and some earrings on. I have my red burgundy socks on, which you can't see very well because I was a little too close when I filmed this. I'm showing that there are cakes on my thing because I was very proud of myself for matching all of that together. And yeah. That concludes what I wore in a week to my office. Now I'm just some hanging out clothes at my house where I'm comfortable to do errands and kind of work on editing some videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day. Luna